Baseball is the hardest sport in the world to play, according to science and a bit of maths. Here's why. Actually, hitting a fastball in baseball is humanly nearly impossible. It is essentially a superhuman power because the time it takes a pitcher to throw a ball and the catcher to catch it is about 400 milliseconds if that ball is travelling around 90 miles an hour. And the batter's already kind of screwed because the human brain, to see what it's seeing in front of it, takes about 80 to 100 milliseconds, so it's already playing catch-up. More maths, 150 milliseconds to actually swing the bat, the physical process of doing it, 25 milliseconds to tell your brain to do that. Remember, we only had 400 milliseconds to play with in terms of the time it takes. That leaves the batter with only 125 milliseconds to decide what they're going to do. So how then does a batter actually hit a ball? It should be humanly impossible. The answer is our brains are really good at predicting what might happen. Hitters basically see into the future. Our brains begin predicting things that happen before they happen. So they're already looking at the pitcher's arm before they even hit the ball, which sets everything else into motion. And that is why hitting a baseball is the hardest thing you can do in sport. It is humanly nearly impossible.